Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. Today in our Trash to Treasure series, I'll show you how you can transform any plastic container into a beautiful, cute bird hanging planter. But before we go ahead, I would like to thank all of you. It's because of your love and support my Hindi channel Design, Decor and Disha has won me the title of YouTube India Next Up Ambassador. Yes, I am one of 20 Next Up winners. If you don't know what Next Up is, you can Google more about it, and to know what all YouTube has sent me, you can check out my Hindi channel Design, Decor and Disha. Now let's get to the work. For this DIY, you will need a plastic container in any shape or size which is easily available in your home, and you'll need air drying clay. You can find it easily on Amazon. If you don't have air drying clay, then no problem. I have already shared how to make air drying clay at home. Here's the video, I'm linking it here, don't forget to check out. And an easy way to make air drying clay is to mix a teaspoon full of white glue and mix it into a small bowl full of POP, which is plaster of Paris, or wall putty, and then you need to knead it into dough using water. Consistency should be dough-like. Now here's the procedure. Take a plastic container and then mark and cut it as shown here. And here I have made clay using wall putty, white glue and water. First I applied a little water on the plastic jar and then I covered it with the clay. Removed the extra clay and then covered the entire jar. To smoothen the surface, I applied a little water and then let it dry for 30 to 40 minutes. Once the base was dry, I went ahead and made other features like head, beak and wings of the bird. While the clay was still wet, I used heated nail to create holes. I created 3 holes and then I let it dry for 12 hours. Then I sanded it lightly and wiped off the dust. It was now time to paint the bird. I chose this soothing, calming light blue color and I'm using acrylic colors here. To make eyes, I used tiny black beads. Then I took 3 pieces of cord. You can take twine or rope, whatever is available, and then I passed it through the holes and secured it with a knot at one end. And to elevate its look, I used these beautiful beads. I tied the free end of all the 3 ropes on this ring. And don't forget to make a hole if you're potting a plant directly into it. And it's done.